Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can easily connect any wireless headphones to your Windows computer, a desktop computer. Laptops usually have Bluetooth built in, but most of the desktop computers don't. So all you need really is a small adapter for Bluetooth to plug it in any of your USB ports. This one is just a basic generic, very cheap one. It's a Bluetooth 4.0. It's better to use the 5, the newer version, but this one works also. So all I do is just plug this into my USB port. It gets recognized and automatically Windows 10 will show me a nice picture of Bluetooth. So I have a Bluetooth device settings or something like this, and I can see the devices, or I can add a new device. That's the headphones that I have. The wireless headphones is JBL Live 300 TWS. I've made a previous video about it, unboxing. They're pretty good actually. It's nice for exercise, and it's also nice to use on the computer. Listen to some music. So the way I do this, I just go to the Bluetooth devices and I press add Bluetooth device. It's pretty easy. Choose Bluetooth and then it should show up in your menu. I don't know here why it shows 2 times. Maybe it's the case and the headphones. I'm not sure about that. You just choose the TWS. The other one, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I don't remember trying it, so I use this one and it's working. It just works, connects, and it's ready to use. Now if I put the headphones in my ears, I can hear the sounds, the system sounds, and I can even see in the Windows 10 menu here, I see the name of the headphones. So that's pretty nice. This one even has a light built in. Okay, so now I'm using the headphones. They're plugged in to the ears. I have to be careful to put them in properly. But actually sometimes I prefer that they're not inserted all the way, because if I'm doing exercise or walking, I hear my steps when I walk if they're plugged in too much. This is valid for any headphones that have a seal inside the ear, because then you hear the sounds from your own body a lot more. Volume control works on the computer. Yeah, I'm actually controlling the volume with the headphones, with the motion like this, swiping, and that's pretty nice. So you could be 5-10 meters away from it and you just still can control the volume. You see on the taskbar on the Windows 10 the name of the headphones, so you can even choose between playback, setting the volume for the headphones or from your speakers. And yeah, it's ready to use. There are a few problems with the Windows 10 and the Bluetooth headphones, so I just want to show you a few things. I'm not sure if this is because of these headphones or in general, if this is a general problem with Windows 10. Yeah. First, I want to show you that they don't connect automatically for some reason. And I have a few settings here, just checking. So one nice thing is that it shows you the percentage of the battery is displayed there. So it's nice that this shows on Android, but it's nice to see that Windows also shows it. To change, to enable or disable quickly the Bluetooth setting, that is Windows key and A. That stands for the Action Center or Activity Center. Action Center.
It's the Action Center.
This works pretty strange. I don't know, this thing for Bluetooth at least, it's pretty weak. I have to right click and then go to settings to see this, and then I have to click here and then connect. It's a bit too much, isn't it? There must be a better way, or Windows 10 is that bad with these wireless technologies. And imagine if you had this on a tablet, it would be more difficult. Maybe it would be easier. So now I'm trying the auto connect feature. So yeah, they're not connecting. I try to put them in my hand, put my fingers on them, so the proximity sensor is activated. It's still not connected. So yeah, not sure if this is because of this model specifically, or I have to install some more apps on Windows 10. This is just a quick connection. Maybe it's the dongle I use, the Bluetooth dongle. Maybe that's also the problem. So it's possible that with a better dongle, Bluetooth module, they would work much better. But at least it's nice that they work even with this one. So as it is now, I have to open the Bluetooth settings, this Action Center, and right click on Bluetooth, and then left click on the go to settings, and then I have to connect finally. Hopefully this video is helpful, and let me know in the comments below if this is annoying. I think for me it is a bit annoying, but okay, it's nice that I can still use them on the Windows. It should be a bit better sometimes. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about these headphones, or about how they use them, these in general wireless headphones on the Windows computer, and any other questions you might have. Write them in the comment section below. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time.